greensandmachines.com.
Hey, we're back in the vineyard. And this is our Chardonnay. Just got a nice sized cluster. This is probably the last look we'll get at these clusters before I bag them up to prevent the birds from attacking. Cab Sauv, I can't remember if this one the clusters, and I don't seem to see it anywhere. Barbera's got nice bigger grapes. Looks like it's all the leaves died off on the bottom. It's unfortunate. You see this one right here. Cool. Pinot Noir. Actually get some this year because the birds won't eat them after I'm done today. Symphony, which had the most clusters of all of them so far. Really big, like huge, and lots and lots of grapes. I forget which one this one is. I want to say Grenache. Yeah, that's what it was. Maybe that one down here. See. I'm gonna probably miss some of these clusters when I'm bagging them. No grapes here, but nice leaf growth. All my newer grapevines. It's been hot lately. It's like 101 out right now. Or it was earlier today. Go over to this side of the vineyard. You can see there's a squash plant growing down towards these Zinfandel. Yeah. And they are ripening. Very slow. It's a bit early too. Oh my goodness, look at that. Here's Alionica. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Syrah, actually, is that Syrah grape? No, it's not. I wish it was. It's not a Syrah cluster. Tempranillo, I want to say this one was. I'll have to look back at my old video and look. What happened to the Syrah clusters? Yep, there's one. It looks pretty sad. Alright, let's alright, cool. So to prevent our mistakes from last year where the birds ate all of our clusters, we're going to put paper bags around every single cluster we see here. The birds won't be able to touch them, the grapes will ripen up fine. Easy. It's just that there's a ton of clusters. Now, if you have a vineyard much bigger than mine, you may need something more practical like bird netting, because going around and putting a paper bag on every cluster will be it will take a lot of time. So let's get started. So it's pretty easy. You need your paper bag and a little piece of twine to tie around it. Find a cluster or clusters. Sometimes you get two in one. You just get the bag around it like that, and then you loosely tie up the bag so it doesn't go anywhere. Presto. Birds can't get to it. Just got to repeat for the dozens of other clusters I've got around here. More. I think we got one left here. Alright, the Chardonnay is now protected. That only took about 2.5 minutes. Move on and get the other grapes. I'll show you how big this cluster is. Like, you see that right there? Thing's massive. I'm having a hard time getting a bag on it. Use your Boy Scout skills and tie the knot quicker. Alright, we've bagged as many as I can today. There's a few still exposed back here. We'll have to return when I get some more twine. A few weeks before they all ripen up and the birds come and grab them. Well, this harvest is going to be bigger than last year, that's for sure. We have the bagged grape forest. Remember to like, share, subscribe to Greens and Machines on YouTube.